waphazamiseka ukuhlela enkonzweni kaMbongeni Ngema ngesikhathi kuthelekwa ngomengameli waseSouth Africa uMnumzane Jacob Zuma.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Can we settle down as we thank you very much for this beautiful welcome to our former president uThembile Mkhize. Siyabonga kakhulu. Uthumile uthi WhatsApp